With Fulfillment by Amazon, or F.B.A., you store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers, and we pick, pack, ship, and provide customer service for those products. After watching this series, you should have a basic understanding of the process, including correctly labeling and prepping your products for F.B.A., converting your Amazon listings to F.B.A., and shipping your products to fulfillment centers.
Let's dig in. Here's how F.B.A. works. First, you convert your listings to F.B.A. Then you send your products to Amazon. Check out Amazon's partnered carrier program for deeply discounted domestic shipping to our fulfillment centers. Once your products arrive at the fulfillment center, they're stored for easy retrieval when you get an order. When Prime members find and purchase your F.B.A. products on Amazon, they'll be able to take advantage of their membership to get fast, free shipping. If they buy it from another site, just let us know and we'll get the ball rolling. Multi-channel fulfillment lets you fulfill orders from other sales channels using your Amazon Fulfillment Center inventory. Once an order is placed, our fulfillment center staff pick and pack the items, whether it's just your product or it's one of several, and make sure it's ready to go out the door. Amazon then delivers your product to that customer. So what happens if your customer has a question or needs to return the product? Amazon takes care of that too, providing 24/7 customer service for any product you sell using F.B.A. And there you have it. Chances are you just made someone very happy. Not only did they get what they wanted, your product, but thanks to F.B.A., they were able to take advantage of those fast, free shipping options.